So today I'm just talking about growing Australian natives from seeds. So behind you there you can see the about 150 natives that I've already done from seeds. And I'm just going to tell you today where I'm at and what my journey's like. So first I've got Spiny headmat rush, or Lomandra longifolia. Everyone just calls it Lomandra. You see this everywhere because they're so easy to maintain and they're so drought tolerant and they look nice. So I tried in this humidity dome about 6 weeks ago. I put these seeds in and unfortunately it has done nothing, so we'll just keep going. Next, Man Saltbush, Attriplex nummularia. So I've got another video where I talk about what I'm doing with this plant. There's only one of these seeds that has sprouted. It looks pretty good. Last time it went very leggy very quickly, but we'll see how it goes this time. Next, I've got the prickly moses, Acacia verticillata. So I've got some I've already planted out and more I'm going to plant out. And also the running Postman, prostrata. So I put them in this. This is native seed mix and some vermiculite and perlite. And as you can see, the one on the left is the Acacia, and that's already got some sprouting. Next, we've got Bidgee Widgee, and I decided I was going to do the cold stratification of this, but I put it in the paper and wet it. So I kind of double dipped. And when I took it out of the fridge, I was like, why did I do that? And so there's the seeds. They obviously didn't do anything. I should have just put them in the fridge by themselves. But then I also had to wait until this dried out, until I could actually get the seeds off the paper. And stupidly, I did that outside and the wind took about half of them. But anyway, I managed to get quite a lot of them into this container that you can see down the bottom. And again, that same perlite, native soil mix and vermiculite. So hopefully we can get some of that sprouting for some nice ground cover. Then there's coast Banksia, Banksia integrifolia. So again, in my other coast Banksia, I go through this, but I'm just trying to do it through this method. Now, in the past, I actually ran an experiment where I did this. I did it with soil. I did it with all types of different things, and there was no difference in the rate of them germinating. So prickly tea tree, Leptospermum continentale. So I picked these seeds from this exact plant yesterday, and as that's locally indigenous, I'm going to just dry these out, let the seeds come out and plant them. Finally, the berry saltbush, this Rhagodia. So I just picked these when I was walking this morning. So it's a mix of the little black berry saltbush seeds, but also some seeds from Lomandra as I was just walking past. So I'm just going to get a tiny little pot and just dump them in.